Full 360. Alright guys, my name is Hector and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today, we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new 5-piece luggage set. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Go and actually check it out. On the need of some of these too. Alright, let's open this up. Right here it does have the lock on here. They do make them in different colors as well. Alright, here's the second one. Also with the lock on there. Here's the next one. You can see they all have the lid on them too. Lock on there as well. I'll show you more right now, but this is the inside so you can see for reference. Alright. Let's open this one. Very nice. Another one in here. Very cool. It's like another strap for it as well that you can put right here on the sides. We'll go ahead and put it now. Just like so. Very cool. So here's what the 5-piece luggage set looks like, and you're getting 3 hardshell suitcases plus a duffel bag and a smaller toiletry bag. Each suitcase has a built-in combination lock, which I showed earlier, which keeps this zipper secured. It's not meant to be super high security, but it's useful for travel so the bag doesn't accidentally open and adds a little bit more peace of mind. Since this is a full set, the smaller bag can also nest inside the larger ones for storage where you're not using them. All right, so I got them open so you can kind of see the insides. Starting with this one, this is the 28-inch luggage. That's the 24-inch and that's the 20-inch. They all can expand for up to 25% more storage. So that's very cool. And it has these on here as well, so that way you can compress them a little more. And then it's got this part where you can kind of compartmentalize it right here. Zip this up, and then store more items in here if you like. Same thing with the other two as well. And then what I wanted to show on the outside was it's got all four corners are reinforced. These are designed for the reinforced luggages. And then right here, I do want to show you can pop out the wheels if you so like to. So we're gonna go ahead and install them so you can kind of see it. Very easy. Should just push right into place. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so let's go ahead and install the wheels on it. So what you want to do is push this button right here. Insert the wheel in, let it go, and then it locks into place. And just push this down, insert it. There we go. There we go. Last one. All right, done. And the other thing is, it's got a handle right here on the side. Very easy to pick up. And as well as right here. Here's where you can set your code. And then obviously the handle. It's got different heights. This being the highest one right there. Oh. All right, and then obviously the wheels on all of them, full 360, right? And it doesn't matter on which one, you're able to remove the wheels if you so choose to, just like that, and then insert it the same way again. So they are the hard style, heavy duty ones. Very, very cool. All right, so if you guys are looking for some new luggage, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.